Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a simple multiplication table using arrays in C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers in my channel. Thank you for your support, silent viewers. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I would like to shout out Sir Ernil, Marshmallow, Manobilin, and Sir Daven. So let's get started. Line number 1, we have here C stdlib for standard library file for our pos in our program. Line number 2 will be sharp include iostream for input output. And then line number 3, sharp include iomani for set width, no, for spacing using namespace std and main. Starting point of every C++ program, we have here begin, and then I declared one-dimensional array values 10, values to 10, that has a element up to 10, 1 to 10, and then the other one is 10 to 1, descending order. And then we have here the title, simple multiplication table using arrays in C++, created by your story GCash Pomperada ed IT. I wrote this code more than 10 years ago, no? So during the time I was not yet a master's degree in information technology. So using for loop statement, int list 0, list less than 10, list increment, and then we will display a value here. We just multiply the list by itself, and then the same thing here, we plus value here, set width, and then pause. I will put a link in the video description guys so that you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. So let us execute our program, compile and run. So we have here the output, simple multiplication table using arrays in C++, created by GCash Pomperada ed IT MIT. 1 times 1, 1, 2 times 2, 4, 9 times 9, 81, 9 plus 2, 11. 2 plus 9 equals 11. So this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you have learned something new in this short tutorial video. Please like, share, and then don't forget, if you are new guys, by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.